Hey guys, Jessica here. Yesterday I went to the dentist for a routine checkup and cleaning, and I started talking to the dentist about different tooth care products, brushes that I've used and tried, and different teeth whitening products. And I wanted to share some of the information that I found out from my dentist because there's some products that other YouTubers have suggested for teeth whitening, and I learned out some information about how those products work from my dentist that I thought might be helpful to you if you're looking for products, and to explain to you what exactly they do from an actual professional who works in the field. There's also some other products that other YouTubers have suggested that people are raving about, and people are wondering should they buy it or not. Every skin type is different, so it might work for some people and it might not work for others. There are a few products that have not worked for me that I wanted to share with you, but I have some alternatives for things that did work for me, and maybe they'll work for you as well. So the first one is Native Deodorant. This is all over social media and YouTube, and it smells amazing. This is coconut vanilla. It does make you smell good during the day. You do still, however, will get wet because it doesn't block you from sweating. But the thing that happened with my husband and my husband does not have any allergies and does not break out usually. He broke out with a rash about a week after using the product. I bought him eucalyptus mint, and he, like I said, he doesn't have allergies. He's not one to break out usually at all. And he kept using it for about a month because he thought maybe his body just needed to get used to it, and the rash just got worse and worse to where he couldn't stand it. So he stopped using it. And mine, I thought, yay, it's working for me. I had no problem. I was wearing it for about a month and a half with no issues, and then all of a sudden I broke out in a rash, and it was uncomfortable. So I stopped using it as well. Unfortunately, it's past the 30 days warranty, so we couldn't send it back for a refund, but I just wanted to go over that with you because I know there's been a lot of people asking about Native, and I'm sure it works for some people, but unfortunately it broke my husband and I both out in a rash, so we can't use it. Another product that a YouTuber suggested was the Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover. This, unfortunately, I'm going to use till it's out, but I am not a fan of it at all. I have to rub super hard to get my eye makeup off, even if it's not waterproof mascara. I feel like I'm rubbing too much on my eyes. I know I've used Lancome before, and it comes off with a snap. It's so easy, but that's pretty pricey. So I found some other alternatives to the Sephora one that are kind of in comparison price-wise that I found work for me better because I'm not having to rub so hard. So one of the products is the Neutrogena Towelettes. I love these. They take off makeup so easily. They're great to throw in your bag if you're traveling. You don't have to worry about liquids, and they do a great job. So this is one of them. Another product that I just started using and I bought at the store was the Micellar Water. This is the teal cap for waterproof, just like how the Sephora one is supposed to be for waterproof. And this one I find that I don't have to rub as hard, and it takes the makeup off easier, so I recommend this one, and it's actually cheaper and you get more. This one is 13.5 and this one's 6.76. So you get a lot more, and it's a better price point, and I feel like it's easier to take off your makeup. The other thing that I picked up from YouTube for teeth whitening was a lot of people are talking about charcoal powder. So I started talking to my dentist about this yesterday, and I learned something about charcoal powder that I didn't realize. He asked if I thought it was working, and I said, you know, I noticed a little bit of my stains seem to come off if I eat or drink anything that's dark. But what he explained to me was charcoal, the way that it sits on your teeth, it reflects light differently. So it's not actually whitening your enamel. What it does is it reflects the light off your whitening of your enamel, and so it appears like it's more white, but it's not actually whitening your teeth. However, he said that it's still good to use because actually charcoal helps to get bacteria and toxins out. So even though it's not whitening my teeth and it's just making them look whiter from the way that the angles of lights are, it does help to take out any bacteria or anything that's in your mouth. So with that, I'm still going to continue to use it because it still has a benefit to it, and it makes your teeth look like it's whiter, but it's not actually whitening them. However, he said if you do want to whiten your teeth and the enamel to actually strip them a little bit, one of the best things besides going to the dentist and having them do it, is getting these Crest white strips. I have not tried them yet, but he said just you can put them on for 30 minutes at a time, let them sit, and this will help whiten your teeth really well, get into the enamel of your teeth. And then after doing that, I have been using this and I love this. This is the Crest 3D White, alcohol-free, the Glamorous White mouthwash. I use this at nighttime before I go to bed so it can kind of swish it around and sit on my teeth longer, but you can use it morning and night. So what he recommended is that I do this first to whiten my teeth, and then I can keep up with doing the mouthwash, and it will make it last longer in between having to do the strips. So I'll let you know, because I'm gonna try the strips and see how it works out. I'll take a before and after picture and you guys can tell me if you think they look much whiter. But this is what he recommended for teeth whitening, whereas the charcoal, like I said, doesn't actually whiten the enamel of your teeth, it just reflects the light differently, but it does help to get toxins out. So it still is beneficial. I'll use it up, but I probably wouldn't buy it for tooth whitening per se. Those are the products that I wanted to share with you that have been working, and some of the information I found out yesterday from the dentist. I hope that that is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below, and it always helps if you like and share my videos. Thank you and have a great day.